GNT.
Dale, Smart Ridge, GNT level crossing with Luke Code, Jamie, Andrew Watson, Joe Ford. On! Second time filming this. That's a Spark Ridge, said it before, this is GNT level crossing. Filming, what do you think they're doing?
Hey, you're gonna watch this later!
Luke, can you please put me on camera like being famous? Yeah.
Boys wanted to touch my camera to here. They're all talking and everything.
I know, because they're filming.
Yeah, but we're filming. We like to be quiet a bit, like just talking like this.
Yeah. What train's next? What train's coming down?
East Midlands from Lincoln.
Oh,
stop is
there's a
going
new one to Peterborough.
Newark to Peterborough. Sorry. Oh God, yeah. Sorry. Newark to Peterborough. These trains aren't really fast, are they?
Because Lincoln Central train station's just over there. Well, Lincoln train station, Andrew and Joe call it, and Shane call it Lincoln Central.
It's rare to see East Midlands on our track.
Rare?
Yeah.
They have East Midlands on this track every day.
Yeah,
East Midlands serves this county in like Nottinghamshire.
But the one in Wedgwood, it's rare to have East Midlands.
There's no East Midlands trains on the Wedgwood lines at all. Just London Midland.
And Virgin Pendelane. Virgin Pendelane.
I thought you were going to say Virgin Paedophile, Joe. Oh, what do we have? Ooh. I know there's one called DMU going from Northgate to Peterborough. Well, Newark to Peterborough. I think it's Northgate to Peterborough anyway. 1, 3, 5, 3, 5. 1, 5, 3, 8. That's the Grimsby Town service. Oh, the Grimsby Town. Along. That's the Grimsby Town service, not a Peterborough. Crossing. Luke's still on the other side. You look over there, that's Lincoln Cathedral.
We're going to break. Right, it takes about 5 minutes.
Alright, I'll say that's it, guys.